New tonight, a major ruling from the state Supreme Court. This one, the latest to dive into an ongoing turf battle between the state and its tribes and who exactly has to pay taxes. KOCO's Evan Onstadt joining us live from the newsroom right now. Evan, this was a win for the state.
Well, the woman who this case is based on is a citizen of the Muskogee Nation. She technically lives within the boundaries of the Muskogee Reservation, and she makes her income on the reservation as well. Today, the Supreme Court ruled that that doesn't matter, that she still has to pay state income taxes. And just to be clear, there is a rule here in Oklahoma that excludes tribal citizens who live and earn income on tribal land from paying state income tax. Alicia Strobel had argued that that should include her as well, after the U.S. Supreme Court's McGirt ruling, which essentially declared much of eastern Oklahoma was still Indian country. Strobel lives on privately owned land, not land owned by the tribe, but within those newly recognized boundaries. But in a 6-3 decision, the state Supreme Court ruled today that those broader McGirt boundaries, they only apply to criminal prosecution, not taxes. Governor Kevin Stitt praised this ruling and issued a statement saying in part, quote, "This ruling makes it clear that attempts to expand McGirt into civil and tax matters have no basis in the law. We are one Oklahoma, and as long as I'm governor, we aren't going backwards." Critics of this ruling accuse the justices of performing legal gymnastics, saying that they're trying to find ways to make the U.S. Supreme Court McGirt ruling not apply to their tribal citizens. Guys, back to you.